Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. I'm fit and healthy. I'm fit as a fiddle. Leave me alone. Give me a break. It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. I am hungry. I am famished. That's a funny joke. That's a hilarious joke. I am cold. I am freezing. Hurry up. We are getting late. Chop, chop. We are getting late. I am hot. I am burning up. Don't worry. Free not. I am sad. I am heartbroken. How are you? How's it going? I am angry. I am furious. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. I am confused. I am perplexed. That's a bad movie. That's a terrible movie. I am disappointed. I am crushed. Good luck, bro. Break a leg, bro. I have to go. I gotta go. We are so different from each other. We are poles apart.